Beta, exit the door please for 1 hour. Exit the door for 1 hour. Exit properly. And please don't try to open for 1 hour.
1, 2, 3.
Hello friends, today in this video I will show how to sort a list alphabetically in Word for Mac or Windows user. So open Microsoft Word. Now here type or paste your text here. Now select your text. In Home tab, click on this short icon. Arrange the current selection in alphabetical or numerical order. This is especially useful if you are trying to organize data in a table. So select it. You can select here ascending or descending. Then click on OK. So as we can see here, a short list. This is the ascending. Also guys, you can select descending. Select it, click here and select descending. You are watching this video in Windows. Same method in Mac OS. Home tab and click on this short. There are some more options. You can select text, number or date. Select this one if your data has a header. So you can accept first sentence and after that you will see this alphabetical short list. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe.